No.
Is it good?
There can be no leftover cake that goes home with me, so you still must eat it.
Kathy, sound like me.
Sounds like me.
I guess turnabout is fair play. We did that to you with the chocolate cake, didn't we?
Did you see the fish? You want the fish on your plate? Yeah?
She's like, as long as it comes with all that frosting.
Try to get a little of that as possible. There you go.
Oh,
Now you
right.
got the fish looking at you.
What is that, girly? What is it? Fishy, yeah.
Yeah, well, you're not getting that. Kathy's dishing. She's not taking sizes.
Ah,
So,
It must be gone.
Olivia?
In increments.
That's okay.
Olivia. 2 little pieces.
What you doing?
Alright.
You got some yum yum?
See, look how good that records.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Now you know how I felt. I know. Yeah, I did not.
Dang.
I told you you
Where'd
could
you
go
get
back.
From a buddy.
How were you? And I thought
For like
I
15
went
bucks.
2 months ago to them to ask them if they had
I didn't ask
fish
many questions.
cake.
Nope.
This was the last batch
You damn
fish
sure
they
don't.
discontinued. They put it on hold for me and said hold for Camcorder until July. And they put it in the back room and they still had it when I went to go order.
That's cool.
Is that good cake, girly?
Oh.
Cake, yeah.
Look at this one, Jeff.
Is that good pumpkin?
That's right.
That's our thing.
Yes, it is.
Is that good?
Tasty, I know. Oh, fishy. Fishy.
Sushi?
She loves fish so much that we went and got her a beta fish from beta fish now.
I'm
Aww.
surprised she hasn't come out with that in her hand yet, too.
Oh no, the cats will try that.
Yeah. Good thing you
All night during the night, the cats get up on the counter and try to get the fish out. But it has a whole cover on it, so they can't really reach in there.
Just pot the
Yeah.
thing.
But she gets to feed him every night before she goes
Yep,
to bed. It's like
same
part of her
thing.
night-nightly email.
Aw.
Fishy, and then we go brush her teeth. Never works. So you don't look so
Haven't
sad.
taken her fishing yet?
Not yet. We were gonna do that today.
Right.
I taught her
Your
that.
freaking hand.
You did
I taught her
not.
that.
You did not.
Who did?
You're looking at her. You were fed her at the breakfast table. Trying to get her to eat. Wow. About 6 months ago.
Well, you suck.
You can get her to eat anything as long as you make a song to it. Like
I
last
thought
night
I
she
taught
wanted
her that.
broccoli, and I was like, broccoli, let's eat our broccoli. And she was like, oh yeah, she shoved it all in there.
Yeah, you don't have to sing no song though for cake or cookies.
We have a song for apple juice.
Oh my gosh, she is so blue. Choke out of your mouth, go ah.
You want a napkin?
That's all my hands.
It's on me.
Is it stuck on you? I got two. Pick up one. Got better?
I'm just waiting for after she finishes that piece to be like, I want more, and climb up there and get into
you
the
done?
cake.
Are you all done? Well, I think we better get a baby wipe if you think you're done.
Okay, looks so cute.